In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video editing experience with Filmora by changing text colors to make your projects more vibrant and visually engaging. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, adding a splash of color to your text can bring your video content to life and help convey your message in more exciting and dynamic ways. First things first, let's navigate to the main source of our creativity, Filmora. This is the platform where all the magic happens. So go ahead and open Filmora on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to do so beforehand so you can follow along seamlessly. Once you're in Filmora, it's time to dive into text editing, which is a key feature that you will likely use often for titles, descriptions, and captions in your videos. Click on the section where you want to edit or add text. The interface should display your available text options on the right side of the screen. This is where you can manage everything from the font style and size to the text color, which is exactly what we'll focus on today. Now let's zero in on the color options. You'll notice beside the font size settings, there's an option to adjust the color of your text. This is your palette to play with. You can click on the color box, which will bring up a variety of shades and hues. Here's a tip. Think about the mood and message of your video when selecting a color. For instance, bright colors like yellow or orange can convey energy and excitement, while softer hues like pastels can add a touch of calm or elegance. Once you have the color palette open, you can either choose from the preset colors or use the color picker to customize and create the perfect shade to complement your video's theme. Remember, the aim is to ensure that the text stands out against your video's background for optimal readability and visual appeal. After you've selected your desired color, simply apply the change and your text within the video will instantly update to reflect your choice. This streamlined process makes it easy to experiment with different color combinations until you find the right fit for your project. And just like that, you are done. You've successfully added a stylish and vibrant touch to your video. This minor yet impactful adjustment can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic and draw your audience's attention exactly where you want it. As you continue working with Filmora, don't hesitate to explore other text effects and transitions that can further elevate your videos. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made you feel more confident in utilizing text color options in Filmora to express your creative vision. Happy editing, and I look forward to seeing all the amazing content you'll create.